Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MOBL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so you can go there and I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the eventful day today. Price action all over the place. Volume well above average, what it was used to seeing. But what makes this very interesting now going forward is the final 30 minutes of the day. In the final, and I guess today is Friday also, so the final 30 minutes of the week also. And you can see right there, volume came pouring in, and to go along with that, had a nice green candle. And the interesting dynamic about that green candle is what was going on before it. What do I mean by that? Well, what was going on before it was, the price continually tried to press down through 460, but to give credit where credit's due, 460 held strong there, it held strong there, held strong late afternoon, and then finally the price got, upwards movement from that area. So it becomes a very valid, a very plausible thought to have that, hey, maybe this is some sort of bottom that has formed, and maybe that is the start of something bigger. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because all these dynamics have happened does not mean that for sure this is the start of something bigger and that for sure this thing's headed up over $5 again, if only trading were that easy. The point here is that, it's at least a valid thought to have. Whereas let's just say the price was literally just still going straight down right now, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this could be the start of something bigger to the upside. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? The price is literally going straight down. But in this situation, right, that's not the case. The price already started to go sideways, and then final 30 minutes showed volume, showed some price action. Again, is that a guarantee of anything? No. Is it at least a valid, logical thought to have? Absolutely. Now, if this is the start of something bigger and the price starts to head upwards, let's map out some areas of support and resistance. Initial level of resistance, if there's going to be any sort of worthwhile bounce that gets underway, going to be right up there at $4.80. So 480, that very near-term level of resistance, assuming there's no gap downs or anything on Monday. If 480 can be broken, though, next key level after that, right up there at the $5 round number, which you can see right there, presented quite a bit of a headache to the price. But that's probably getting a little bit ahead of myself because first off, the price just needs to at least continue to go sideways, and then it needs to break above that initial level, and then you can focus more so on the $5 mark. But anyway, look at it. A very, very interesting setup going forward. So let's see if this final 30 minutes is indeed the start of something bigger. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.